Oh,
almost. A little bit more fast.
oh, he's trying.
He ain't done.
He's not done.
I was really thinking the two-door might actually have it with the brake over range.
He's put that thing through
Mm-hmm.
some decent stuff.
Yeah. What's that thing like the two-door?
I was telling him about the video you did with you and Ashley coming through here with stock two doors.
Oh yeah. Stock PJs.
Yeah. Whirling the body mounts
We
out of them.
beat the crap. She ended up, she ended up breaking the frame the second time we tried it out.
Oh!